Hello to all employers in Hong Kong. Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Christina Inbulingkit, 27 years old. I am single and a junior high school graduate. For now, I live with my parents together with my siblings. We are 10 siblings. I have 6 brothers and 3 sisters. Before, I worked as a housemaid in Manila for 2 years. I serve 5 members in a family. One couple, they have 1 daughter and 2 grandchildren, 15 years old and 24 years old. I'll do the house cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and also taking care of a dog. I also work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 3 years, from March 2022 until April 2025. I serve 4 members in the family. One couple, they have 2 children, 2 years old baby boy and 1 year old baby girl. When the baby is sleeping or with my employers, I'll do the house cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and also make food for the baby. I would like to come in Hong Kong because I want to earn to help my family needs and to support my brothers and sisters for their school. I am really sure that I will finish my contract as long as my employer wants me to stay. I also prepared a nursery song for the baby. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and G. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Ma'am and sir, I hope you will choose me as your helper. I am a hardworking, honest, trustworthy, and a responsible person. I promise that I will serve your family as my own, and I will finish my contract as long as you want me to stay. Thank you and have a good day.